if you have chronic acid reflux and you're someone that burps a lot, it's almost always because you have a low acid problem. When you don't have enough acid inside the stomach, the food sits there, ferments away, and then you burp lots, you get lots of gas. Or you could have H. pylori suppressing your acid and creating hydrogen gas at the same time, which would mean that you'd be burping from the fermentation of your own food, and then you'd also be burping from the buildup of hydrogen from the H. pylori. Either way, head to myacidrefluxquiz.com, fill out that short quiz. It will tell you what's most likely causing your low acid so that you can fix the problem and not have these issues anymore.